You should absolutely start investing in real estate right now and not put it off and not wait and say, hey, there's a crash coming. Maybe I should wait. Now, that's the biggest question I get right now from everybody that I talk to is, well, Dustin, should I invest right now? I think there's a crash coming. The prices have been so high on properties. Should I buy now or should I wait? Well, my answer is you should absolutely buy now. You need to start investing now because when there is a crash, because there will be a correction or a crash, sometime in the future, it will eventually happen. Now, I'm going to give you the reasons why you should absolutely start investing today instead of waiting. Hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income, and I want to show you how to quit that JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate rental property so you never, ever have to work a job again. Now, get my free real estate investing course. Go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course. It's in the description below. Also, like and subscribe to this video because I'm giving out so much great information on how to invest in real estate, literally showing you how to do this. Now, I believe right now is a great time. In fact, my personal belief is every time, if market's up, if it's down, if it's sideways, it's the best time to invest. Let me give you the reasons why. The first reason why you should start investing now is because you have no clue when the market is going to correct. Imagine if it crashed in 5 years from now. Well, that's 5 years of your life you just wasted and didn't make money. I started investing in 2006. I had no idea there was going to be a crash in 2008, but I started buying properties. Now, the great thing is I started buying properties that made me $250 a month in passive income. Even though in 2008 the crash happened and prices of my homes, the value dropped, I still made $250 a month in passive income. The expenses minus the rents, that difference is the passive income that I make. And here's something that's really interesting. I actually thought that the correction would have happened back in 2017. Kid you not, I literally thought it was going to be 2017, 2018-ish. I was wrong. It kept going. And because you don't know when the crash is going to happen, it's better to start now because there are deals out there. There are great deals out there that will make you passive income and $250 a month in passive income. In fact, one of my students, he bought in 2020, he bought 6 duplexes that make him over $4,000 a month in passive income. And this was in a 15-month period during the coronavirus and everything like that. Check in the description, actually. I have an entire video where I interview him and how he actually did this. And I want to know if you think now is a good time to start investing. You can say, Dustin, you are off your rocker. Right now is the worst time to invest. Completely understand that. Leave a comment. I want to see I actually respond to all my comments. So I want you to leave a comment. If right now is a good time to invest, if you think I'm completely wrong, leave that comment below. And the second reason why you should absolutely start investing now is because you need to learn how to do this business right. How to build the business first, how to make sure you buy properties that are going to make you money, not lose you money, and make sure that you are having an automatic business that runs on its own, where you have property managers, contractors, wholesalers, realtors, inspectors, and plumbers, and roofers, and everybody else in your business working for you so that you will actually be making money instead of losing money. There is so much to learn in order to do this business right. And this video is not over, but I want to tell you that in the next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build the business so you do it right. I want to see you succeed. So watch that video. It's in the description as well. I will be completely honest with you. There are many ways to do this business wrong. In fact, a lot of people teach how to do this business wrong. What they'll do is they'll tell you, find a property, run the numbers, make sure it's going to make you a little bit of passive income, like $100 a month in passive income, buy the property. Then you find somebody to fix it up. Then you find somebody to manage it. That's the absolute backwards way to do it. You want to build the business first. So you build the business, find all the right people, hire them. Then you buy properties, and each property is a piece of inventory that you put into your business. So you want to learn now. You don't want to learn once the crash has happened because all the properties will be gobbled up by people like me, investors like me, and all my students. We're just ready. We're like, yes, whenever this happens, we are going to gobble up all these properties. You don't want to wait, or you don't want to do it wrong. So you want to learn now. And the third thing that you need to be doing is building the business right now. Now, you definitely need to learn how to build the business, but at the same time, you should start building the business so that when there is a crash, you have the people in place to find you the properties. You have the people in place to actually manage and fix up the properties and do it right. You're going to have everybody working for you. Now, what I love to teach is literally step-by-step process. If you go through my Real Estate Wealth Builders, my membership where I literally coach and teach you how to invest, if you go through that, you will absolutely, by the time you go through every single step, you'll have the business built. That's the beauty of how I show all my students is by the time they're done with the courses and everything, they have the business, they're ready to buy their properties. So you want to actually have the business ready, and you're going to have people finding you properties. You're going to have people running the business for you. You're going to have people fixing up properties for you. You're not going to do a thing because you have the business built first. And the fourth reason why you need to start investing now is because you need to know what a good deal is before you actually even buy it. The horrible thing would be if you jump into a property and all of a sudden it's not a good deal. You thought it was, but in reality, it's not. You want to know your market so well. We invest, my students at Master Passive Income, we invest all over the country. And in a specific city, we know what properties are currently for sale because every day we're looking at properties. We're analyzing properties. So if there's, let's say, 50 properties for sale on one day, and then the next day there's 52. Like, great, there's 2 more properties. We've already looked at the other ones. We passed on those. These 2 properties, we know these are new properties. Let's analyze them, know what a good deal is because we see what's there and when there's a crash. If there is a correction or a crash in the market, you will absolutely see prices drop dramatically, maybe by a quarter or even by half. What was once selling for $150,000 might go for $75,000. You want to be able to know that a good deal is in your face when it happens and not think a good deal when it's a bad deal. When I first started investing, I lived in California, and in California in 2006, duplexes were going for like $300,000 and you couldn't make any money in passive income. Well, I started looking at Ohio and I saw a duplex was selling for like 80 grand, $80,000 for a duplex. I'm like, shoot, that has to be a good property. It's so cheap, so much cheaper in California. Now, if I would have bought it, I would have lost money because that house was literally only worth $45,000. So I would have way overpaid if I didn't know my market. So I paused, I took the time to actually build the business first, and then once I had everybody in place, property managers, contractors, inspectors, plumbers, roofers, wholesalers, everybody ready, then I bought properties. Now, here's the great thing about having the business done first. These are experts in that specific city. You're not relying on some database, some website that just grabs all the data, puts it all together, and everybody gets it. No, you want your experts. And that's what I'm going to show you is actually how to get these experts on your team, giving you the best information. And in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to build the business first. So if you are going to get started right now, you want to build the business, I'm literally going to show you, check in the description for my next video where I will walk you through how to build this business first. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, I'm giving out so much great information on how to invest in real estate. I'll see you guys in the next one.